All right, my next guest has been bullish on gold, and look, you can see right there, he got a ton of calls to prove it, but he says it's not just gold that's glittering. I want to bring in now Market Rebellion co-founder John Najarian. And John, gold is killing it. So today, Goldman out saying 5,000. I mean, Goldman,
yeah.
So you've got these calls. You're doing extraordinarily well. But if someone's not in gold right now, still a play?
Still a play. All that glitters is indeed gold, but it's not the only precious metal that's going to do well. Silver is seeing a lot, whether it's PAAS, Pan American Silver, right. Whether it's Helka mining. A lot of these mining plays, of course, are pegged to a much lower price when they start pulling it out of the ground, and now they're getting a much higher price. That's like manna from heaven.
There used to be an old ratio, gold to silver. I don't know if it's around anymore, but if I know that if it were, it would suggest that silver has a lot more room to the upside, even if it's just were to catch up, the sort of a catch-up trade.
Right. Well, and I was just looking at the SLV, which is the ETF for silver, and it was up from 27 in April to 37.60, I think, yesterday. And that's a phenomenal 39% performance this year, since April. Those are amazing things. I think that continues. Gold is on the same track, and I don't disagree with Goldman. I might disagree with their timing, but I don't disagree. It's going higher.
Speaking of going higher, nothing's higher today than American Eagle.
Right.
If the entire stock market, almost 5,000 stocks, that's the #1 stock. Somewhere, Sydney
Sweeney?
Yeah, she's just somewhere, laughing all the way to the bank, right?
Oh, yeah.
And the question is, if you buy it, can you chase it here and go to the bank with her?
I think you can. I mean, this is Sydney Sweeney and Travis Kelce. Now, don't worry, folks. We're not saying...
I got a little nervous when I saw the Kelce factor.
The Taylor Swift is out of the picture. She's not. But they have both of these two influencers on their side, Charles. And all of their stuff is made outside the country. So riddle me this, Batman. How the heck are they still making money if they're bringing all this stuff in with the tariffs and everything?
Right.
And the bottom line is they're a good operator.
Right.
If you operate well and you give people what they want, you can make money.
It's a great point because the expert said it couldn't be done. Obviously, they're not the only one. Macy's made a big move earlier in the week.
Absolutely.
And I read an article where sales were down after she came on. It was like maybe the New York Times. You read the New York Times, you're losing money.
Yeah.
I want to talk about the short side real quick because we got a minute to go. AI is down a lot. The CEO's got some issues, health issues, and Fig went public. This is a disaster, unmitigated disaster. I'm telling you, do not chase hot IPOs, folks. I mean,
no, you're absolutely right.
And you think these both still have more room to the downside?
I do. This was their first Fig. This was their first announcement as a publicly traded company. It was not good. And they probably aren't handling it as well as a more mature company that would then cite, well, but it's right around the corner, we're going to do this or that.
Did they make up some metrics or something like that?
I would worry about these two. I'm not saying they're going away, but I think they've got more room to the downside, both of those two.
Yeah. Hey, man, it's always a pleasure to have you on.
It's my pleasure.
Yeah, tell your brother to say hi.
It's not an option.
It's never an option.
I will.
All right, buddy.